Hello everyone, welcome to Essay Factory. Today we will see an essay on women empowerment. So let's begin. You can tell the condition of a nation by looking at the status of its women by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. These lines clearly express the importance that women and their empowerment hold in society. Women empowerment mainly refers to the practice of providing equal opportunity to women. They are empowered when they have unrestricted access to chances in range of domains such as education, profession and lifestyle. They are empowered when they are trained in fields like education, awareness and literacy to improve their performance and also have decision making authority. Women Women's empowerment is the most crucial point for overall development of a country. The country where both women and men work together develops with a faster rate. India has been a land of brave, intelligent, and powerful women. Gargi, Maitri, Apala are few examples of these women. Even today, women are efficiently leading in various sectors like aviation, defense, politics, sports, and science. They are balancing their personal as well as professional life perfectly. Our finance minister, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, is such an example. She's a mother, a wife, and also defense minister of our nation. And there is a large list of such empowered women. But there also exists a dark side along with this bright list in our Indian society. The bitter truth is women are still struggling for their rights, equality and freedom. Not only this, heinous crimes against women such as rapes, acid attack, dowry system, honor killing, domestic violence, etc. are still happening in India. Due to female foeticide practices, girl child numbers are decreasing sharply in India. It has also impacted sex ratio in India. The literacy rate in girls is very low. Most of the girls are not even provided with the primary education. Even at workplaces, women are discriminated against men. They are paid less for the same work as compared to male counterparts. These are the reasons why women empowerment is important for our society. There are many ways by which women can be empowered. It can be done through government schemes as well as on individual basis. At the individual level, we should start respecting women and giving them equal opportunities as men. We should promote and encourage them and their families to take up jobs, higher education, business activities, etc. The government has come up with various schemes such as Beti Padhao Beti Bachao Yojana, Mahila Ehad, Mahila Shakti Kendra, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana to empower women. As a society, we can contribute in empowering women by abolishing social evils like dowry system, child marriage, etc. These small steps will help in changing the situation of women in society and make them feel empowered. So, friends, hope you like this essay. If you really like this essay, just go and press like button, do subscribe our channel, and please share this video. And don't forget to comment. Thank you.